Hello friends, welcome again to Learn Software channel Autodesk Revit 2025 full course. In this session, we have a review on common issues that might be occurred at beginning of Revit learning, which are related to views. Let's start. In previous session, we modeled a small project. Now we continue learning on the same project. One of the commonly issues in architectura drawing is selecting suitable pen size. Revit also follows same concept and consider a tool for ThinLine. To activate this mode, you can type T and L. Or you can go to the View tab and select this tool. Adjusting the thickness of thin lines helps you to improve the readability and clarity of your drawings, especially when creating detailed or scaled drawings. Thickness of any line will change as view scale changes. Now we can compare lines in various view scale. In scale of 1:1, the line thickness is in default and standard mode. Thin line can be applied in other views, such as elevations. Line thickness changes with view scale. The important point about section is that elements which are cut are shown with thick line compared to lines that are not cut. Thin line function is applicable for 3D as well. There is another tool for defining line weights, the lines related to model, perspective, and annotation. Go to the Manage tab and select Additional Setting. Then find line weights from list. You can change numbers in each cell for each scale. There are 16 model line weights as default. The next important point is about zooming, one of the high-use functions throughout project. It is easily done by scrolling to zoom in or zoom out. For orbiting around an object, keep Shift key and mouse wheel. To go around a central point, you can select an object at the middle of modeling. By selecting any component, the model will orbit around that object. Cube View at top right corner is a 3D navigation tool that allows you to quickly switch between different views in the 3D space. It is very useful for navigating complex or large-scale projects with numerous viewpoints and angles. If you select an object and select Cube View, then this function focuses on the selected component. It is very useful for go around an object rather orbiting whole project. When you have a large-scale designing, what happens to orbiting function? Let's see. By Shift key and mouse wheel, whole project rotate around an unknown point. To control rotating, we can select a point as focal point. Sometime cube view is missing or disappear accidentally. What is solution? Go to the View tab, then select User Interface and tick ViewCube. To zoom all element to fit in screen, type Z and A. It is Zoom Extend function. Let's practice Zoom Extend in some views. In some cases, we want to zoom on a special region. The function related to zoom region allows you to draw a region to zoom in. The shortcut is Z and R. Another point about views is that you can have control on all opened views at the same time. But how? Let's see. There is a tool for TileViews which display multiple views of your project side by side on the screen. Press Z and A to fit in screen. TileViews gives you interesting capability. When you select an element in one view, it is selected in other views. What is its application for? So we can easily locate the place of each element at other views. In particular, in large project, we can find the position of various components, in particular wireframe mode. The other point is about positioning properties and project browser. When they are out of framework, how we can place them? Drag boxes and drop in blue areas according to the picture. Now I show you different options for positioning these two boxes. Let's watch. The first and most recommended is an option that are located at both sides of drawing area. Second option is that a box be located at up or down of other box. The third option is that one box be located under drawing area. Or be locate alongside of each other. Or be located in one box and two tabs to switch between them. The first and most recommended is an option that are located at both sides of drawing area. If these boxes close suddenly, what should we do? How we can bring them back? As we learned, go to User Interface and check them. To speed up your performance, you can use their shortcut, which is P and P. If there is no, you can define yourself. At the Modify tab, there is Properties tool. You can activate from there. Please exercise, like this video, and follow our Learn Software channel. We welcome your questions and comments.